This is Michael Hurst at Highland Hill Farm. He's going to describe how Netafim delivers water to the trees at our nursery.
Yeah, well, this is Netafim. This is the black plastic pipe that we have. Typically, we only use one pipe per row, but we're planting trees in the middle of August. And so when we plant in the middle of August, we usually have to put a little extra water on. So these are Dawn Redwoods we just pulled out of the greenhouse, and we planted them in the field today. So we have our drip system Netafim, and you can see right here is a good example of how the water comes out of it. And it's like it looks like 2 feet, there's a little piece of plastic
It's a wafer.
Is that what it's called?
Yes, it's called a wafer.
And the wafer has a little tiny hole that emits water out of it. And you can see that it lets the water out that way. It's supposed to be downwards, but every now and then the pipe does twist, and that little wafer lets the water out, and you can see where the wafer is by little dots in the field. Now this is our second tank load of water, so when we water, we usually can tell how big of an area that it has watered by digging down into the soil and seeing how far down and how wide the soil is from where the wafer lets the water out. And lets you get an idea of how much water is in the soil or how much more we need to put in. But when we dig down, you can kind of see there's a spot where the water is, like the soil is wet and moist, and a spot where the soil is dry. And we just kind of look at it just to get an idea of how much more water we need to put into it. And yeah, that's our delivery system of water. It's very efficient for us at the nursery. If it works for you at your home or wherever you're doing, good for you, but that's how we do it.
Okay.
At Highland Hill Farm, we raise over 200 different kinds of trees and shrubs, and we can ship as well as we can deliver and plant from many different places. We have locations in Fountainville, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. So call us at 215-651-8329 for all your tree and shrub needs. Thank you.